What's one protein food that will increase fiber and reduce the amount of saturated fat and sodium in meals, all the while saving you money? 2 words: canned beans. Doing double duty as either an option from the vegetable food group or protein food group, canned beans are the unsung heroes of a healthful meal plan. The most recent dietary guidelines for Americans recommend 1.5 cups beans, peas, or lentils each week when following a 2,000 calorie meal plan. Cooking with canned beans is a simple way to meet your goals. Added to salads, mashed into dip, roasted for a crunchy treat, or whipped into dessert, canned beans are where it's at for added nutrition and cost-saving savviness. Need a little beanspiration? Visit our recipes at bigY.com. Until next time, be well.